Hey y'all, we have something that is really excited. We wanted to make sure that we shared with y'all first. It's been a year in the making, so without further ado, here it goes.
I'd like to thank everybody for watching, everybody for taking the time to watch the videos, liking, subscribing, all those good things. It's been a year. I know it's taken some time. Really wanted to get this truck right. Really wanted to give it a good update. I've got a video. I'm fixing to upload it. It's got a bunch of clips of things that have been going on and things that we've been doing. Truck looks really good. I'll grab this phone real quick since we're on the live. Just kind of show y'all some of the things I'm working on. Rear steer, transmission shifter, this will be the AC unit, keel, look down the frame. If we take a look here, look over the top, got your 750 transmission, sorry I'm a little shaky, air tank. Now guys, I have to tidy all the cables up, got to get everything ready on that. Got the Racor, got your filters back there, we got a hydraulic filter on the bottom, got the hydraulic tank, fuel tank in the back. Guys, we're pretty close to being ready for the bed. Like I said, probably a day or two of cleaning up cables and wiring, tying stuff up. Like I said, it's just little stuff. But overall, got it sealed off. Got the AC stuff that came in today. It's sitting over there. Get the condenser in, get all those things in, the compressor mounted. So making some good progress. And hopefully here in a little bit, we'll get a video uploaded for you. And like I said, thank y'all for watching.